morning guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for Croque Madame. Now this recipe is a French recipe. It's absolutely delicious. It's kind of like a grilled ham and cheese sandwich with a poached egg or a sunny side up egg on top with a lovely sauce. It is absolutely delicious. So let's go over the recipe. I'll show you what you need and let's get cooking. Okay guys, this recipe calls for very few ingredients. It's absolutely delicious. For the sauce, you're going to need milk, butter, Dijon mustard, flour, nutmeg, parsley, pepper, and salt. For the assembly, you're going to need eggs, cheese, any type of ham that you prefer, and some bread. So let's get on into this. We're going to make the sauce first, so that way it's cooling down slightly while we make the eggs and the sandwich. Okay guys, so we're just going to turn the heat on medium-low. And so we're going to add my butter in. It's a little bit melted, but that's okay. We're just going to let this melt. Now we're going to add in our flour, salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Give that a whisk. We're going to let this cook for about a minute just to cook out that raw flour taste. Now you're going to add in your Dijon mustard. And give this a whisk. And slowly add in your milk. And you're just going to cook this until it gets thick and creamy. It shouldn't take long, just about 2 or 3 minutes, just so the milk will heat up and it will thicken very nicely. Okay guys, this is nice and thick. It's brought it up to a boil and let it cook for about 3 minutes. If you want it thicker, you can certainly cook it more. But this is how I like it. Always check to see if it needs more salt. So I'm just going to set this aside, and we're going to assemble or make our sandwiches. Okay guys, I've got a little assembly line here. I'm just going to turn my pan to medium-low. I'm just going to add just a little bit of butter to the pan. Kind of give that a brush around the pan. This is going to help cook everything. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to brush butter on both sides of the bread. Right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to toast one side of the bread. Okay, now that my toast is browning up nicely, I'm just going to tell you about the toast. Now I'm using the Texas toast. It's the thicker cut of bread. So now that it's browning, I'm just going to flip one side over and start assembling. So I'm going to put my cheese down. I'm also going to put my ham on, and then just top this with the other piece of bread. And we're going to brown this on both sides. It shouldn't take long at all. Go ahead and turn your heat down to low if you're cooking in a cast iron. Now what we're going to do is cook the egg. So I'm going to just take this off the heat, let this cool down a second. Kind of spread my butter back around to cover the pan. And then just add in my egg. Be careful not to pop the yolk. Turn this heat back on to low. And then we're just going to let this egg cook until it's sunny side up. If you don't like your egg sunny side up, you can go ahead and cook it completely. It's up to you. But I will meet you right back here when the egg is done and we finish the sandwich. Okay guys, my egg is done. Now all we're going to do is top this on the sandwich. And we will top it with the sauce. Okay guys, now all you're going to do is just top it with the sauce. You can add as much or as little as you like. It is so pretty. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. It is absolutely delicious. It doesn't take long to cook at all. And it's great for Christmas morning. I love making this during the Christmas holidays. So let's just break into this. That is so delicious. It's crispy. The sauce with that egg, it's absolutely amazing. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.